Welcome to this 10-minute Sun Salutation A sequence for beginners. My name is Joëlle, and today we'll be following the Ashtanga set sequence for Sun Salutation A, bringing our breath and our movements into harmony as we warm our bodies and find a sense of playfulness with those bodies. I will be sharing both the English and Sanskrit names for the poses today so that you can get more comfortable with them for future practices. Let's jump right in. Begin in Tadasana, mountain pose, with the feet hip widths apart. The hands come to prayer pose in front of the chest. Inhale the arms up to Urdhva Hastasana, look at your thumbs. Exhale, reach the heart forward all the way down to Uttanasana, bend the knees and relax the head. Inhale halfway up, palms on shins, Ardha Uttanasana, flatten out the neck. And exhale, step back, lower the knees to the ground in Chaturanga, relaxing the shoulders down the back. Inhale, rise up to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, or Cobra pose, reaching the crown of the head towards the sky. Exhale, come back through bent knees, and then raise the hips up and back to Downward Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 breaths here. The heels can pedal back and forth towards the earth. The fingertips are spreading wide and pressing into the mat. Pull the shoulders down the back. Finishing up with that 5th breath, inhale, step forwards back to halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to full forward fold, Uttanasana with bent knees. Release the head, neck, and jaw. Inhale, rise up to Urdhva Hastasana, arms reaching tall. And exhale, hands to your sides in Tadasana, standing proud. Again, inhale the arms up, keep shoulders down. Exhale, down we go to forward fold, finding space. Inhale halfway, pull the vertebra apart to straighten the spine. Exhale, step back and come down to Chaturanga Dandasana, elbows soft. Inhale, arch the back, let the neck be an extension of the spine here. Exhale, hips up and heels down in Downward Facing Dog for 5 breaths. Focus on the breath here, in and out, as you notice how the body is feeling and as you consider, is there anywhere else where you could release any tension? Now inhale, step forward to the top of the mat. The top of the head reaches towards the front of the room. And exhale, folding forwards, let the blood flow in the opposite direction for a moment. Inhale, stretch the arms all the way back up to Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale, release the arms to the sides. Very good. And here we go. Inhale the fingertips to the sky, the little fingers turning in towards each other. Exhale, lead with the chest to take yourself forward and down. Inhale, the chest reaches towards the front of the room, fingertips on the floor or palms on shins. And exhale, step back to the top of a push-up and lower down to hover, hover, hover a few inches off of the mat. Inhale, step or roll over the feet to arc up with the crown of the head reaching up. Chest is open and relaxed. And exhale, up and back, press into the hands. Stay here for 5 breaths to rest. Imagine the weight is transferring from your hands all the way back down into your heels. And imagine that one day this posture will be a restful one. And if all else fails, then simply count your breaths in and out. Inhale, step forwards again, rise halfway up onto fingertips. And exhale, release down, let the tension melt out of the body. Inhale, here we go, back up to the sky, reach for the sun. Exhale, float the arms down and smile. A little faster now, inhale, arms up, gaze to the thumbs. Exhale, come down, gaze to the tip of the nose. Inhale halfway, gaze to the third eye. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, gaze to the tip of the nose. Inhale to Cobra or Upward Dog, gaze back to the third eye. Exhale to Downward Dog for 5 breaths, gaze to the navel. So our gaze in yoga, or our drishti, as it is called in Sanskrit, helps us focus not only where our eyes go, but also our inner gaze. It helps keep us focused and free from any distractions. Now inhale to step forward, halfway up, gaze between the eyebrows. Exhale, release forwards, gaze to tip of the nose. Inhale all the way up, gaze to the thumbs. And exhale the arms down, gaze to tip of the nose. Again, inhale, raise the arms, get tall. Exhale, the chest radiates forwards towards the legs. Beautiful. Inhale, halfway, extend through the spine and neck. And exhale, back we go and down to the ground. Inhale, pull the chest forwards and up. The hips can hover here or rest on the ground. Exhale to down dog for 5 deep breaths. Let the breath be audible. Listen to the inner fire being created as we move through this flow in our own individual way with our own individual bodies. Inhale, come forwards, bring the head forwards. Exhale, release the head, keep the breath engaged here. Inhale to sweep the fingertips up and try to brush them against the ceiling. And exhale the hands down, beautifully done. Inhale the arms back up, you got this. Exhale, forward fold, let everything go. Inhale halfway, melt the shoulders down the back. Exhale, maybe jump back to find Chaturanga hovering just above the floor here. Inhale, sweep forwards, press into the tops of the feet. Exhale, up and back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, maybe jump forwards, find halfway up, look at your nose. Exhale, let the breath and the body go, folding deeply. Inhale, root to rise, imagine literally growing taller here. Exhale the arms down, feeling strong and powerful. Inhale, make it count, reach for the sky. Exhale, heart comes down, release, lengthen through the hamstrings. Inhale, halfway up, warming our amazing bodies here. Exhale, take it back and down, hug the elbows in as you lower. Inhale to Cobra or Upward Facing Dog, open through the front of the body. Exhale, our last down dog here, 5 breaths. Notice how the body is feeling. Thank your body for the hard work it's putting in today and be grateful to it for responding in the way that it does. Now inhale, forwards we go, halfway up, lengthen. And exhale, let everything go into Uttanasana, forward folds. Inhale, press the feet down as the hands rise up, look to the sky and smile. Exhale the arms down, close the eyes. Turn the gaze inwards. Thank you for sharing these sun salutations with me today. A wonderful way to warm the body while focusing the mind. Subscribe to my channel for more videos of only 10 minutes. I know that sometimes that's all we've got. I'll see you soon. Namaste.